Here's one we don't get in at Unique, especially in classics every day. 2001 Chevrolet Camaro SS. T-top coupe, and best of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, low mile car, confirmed mileage, just a little over 20,000 miles on this beauty. Onyx black, dark charcoal leather interior, and take a look at the condition of this. Look at the front fascia. It's black. You look close enough, you may find a few small imperfections here and there, but considering this car, going on 22 years old now, and black in color, very nice shape. And with the SS, we got that little bump in horsepower underneath the hood. 5.7 liter LS1, 325 horse, 350 pound-feet of torque, 6-speed manual gearbox. Only 1,359 of these made in an SS coupe with a 6-speed. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, I suggest looking at the underside, engine bay, interior, trunk. Not gonna believe this car. Take a look at it. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's gonna take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the 17-inch chrome SS wheels. Now, the SS package, some of the things you're not going to be able to see from the top side in this, it does have the performance shocks, stiffer springs and bushings, larger front stabilizer bar, and then the one thing you are going to notice when we get back here, a little different wing for downforce. A couple other things to note, it does have the shade covers that will go in the T-tops. Also comes with the SS car cover and bag as you see it there. T-tops I have in the holder in the rear of this car, where they're a special compartment for them. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures of this car with the tops in and with them out. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Both sets of keys, 2 key fobs. Actually a 2-owner car. First owner had it for quite some time, adult owned and driven, and it definitely shows. Take a look at those pics, undersides, interiors, everywhere. Every angle of this car, top to bottom, at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. I'm going to take you right there. This car will not disappoint. Take a look at the reflection coming off the side of it all the way to the front door. Interior, power driver's seat, of course, steering wheel controls. Over here you will see power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Camaro SS floor mats still intact. Take a look at the seating. Condition looking good there. What you'd expect, a little over 20,000 miles on it. All right. Let's fire this up so you can hear it run. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC in this car, tilt cruise, all the modern amenities, and there's your miles. 20,000, 291. No warning indicators, no service engine lights, anything like that. That was a cold start, FYI. And you can see all the gauges are working. Right there, I just don't have my seatbelt on. Monsoon system, AM, FM, CD player, of course fog lights, and as you can see, the dash also in nice shape. The car is not stored outside. Nice deep throaty growl on these cars. Good sounding exhaust. That's the other thing. I don't see anything that's been modified except for by SLP, what they do to make it into the SS. And again, take a look at the underside. You can see the exhaust system, everything else underneath there. But first, we will check out the engine bay. We'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Alright, here's the hood popped. As you can see, nice and tidy underneath there. Doesn't look like this thing's really been driven any sort of inclement weather. There's that 5.7 liter LS1. Again, 325 horse, 350 pound-feet of torque, paired up with that 6-speed manual. Even replaced the battery with an AC Delco. And there is a battery shut-off on there, as you can see. Again, what you'd expect with a car with that kind of miles on it. It's clean and like new underneath there. There you are, 2001 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Nice looking T-top coupe. Clean Carfax, low miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions. It will take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.